Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Substack has exploded in recent years, I would say. So writers are leaving traditional media to start their own newsletter, and readers are subscribing to more Substacks than they basically can keep up with. But the problem is, your inbox can only handle so much, and Substack's own digest doesn't always show you everything you want to see. The good news: you can follow Substack publications directly in Feedly. And the even better news: unlike newsletters, which require Pro Plus subscription, Substack publication can be followed for free using their native RSS feed. So every Substack publication has their own. You just need to know the link pattern. Once you add it to Feedly, every new post appears right alongside your other sources, no email inbox required. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through the fastest and easiest method. According to multiple sources, including a successful user guide, most Substack publications have an RSS feed, which I would say predictable link. Or URL. So find the Substack publications homepage, then add such feed to the end of the link, copy that full link to the Feedly and click this plus button, add content, and put it there. Okay, so go to Feedly, as I told you, tap on this plus, paste the link, tap on follow, and that's the whole idea here. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.